At each intersection, you can insert wire connection dots as a Teemarker. To use Teemarker in your wire, you need to select the schematic tab of the ribbon and go through Insert Wires Wire Numbers panel. And also in the Insert Teemarkers drop-down, select Insert Teemarkers. Then you will be asked to specify insertion point, so click at your desired point to place it. As you can see, the command will be continued and you can insert another Teemarker. To exit the command, you need to press Escape or Enter. You can also modify your Teemarker, such as moving or copying. To do that, you can select your Teemarker by just clicking on it, then go through the Home tab and in the Modify panel, select the Move tool. After that, you need to select the base point for the movement. So click on it and then move and place the Teemarker by clicking on the point that you want.